You could be freaking smart and, you know, do that with like a spoon or something, but... Hi, welcome back to, finally, something that isn't a 2-hour live stream. No, but seriously though, welcome to what may be the final video filmed in this place right here. So the next time you see a video from me, it may look a little bit different. Anyway, last week I went to Trader Joe's to get some, you know, healthy-ish snacks. And I came upon a bag of these. These are Trader Joe's Gochujang nuts. I figure, I like gochujang. I like almonds. Maybe I'll love the two of them combined. And boy, howdy, was I wrong. Now, instead of throwing the whole bag out, I figure I can salvage some of this, the $4 or whatever that I spent on it, and attempt to use this as a teaching opportunity to teach you how to make gochujang Chinese almond chicken. So, here's what you're gonna need. I don't actually know, I haven't made this in like years. A pound or so of chicken boob, these nuts, Chinese organic tear gas, vampire kryptonite, water these nuts, oh snap peas, concentrated redhead, Chinese cooking one with a disclaimer that you should definitely not drink this, corn cane, liquefied chicken little, your pet name, and of course everyone's favorite, BAM! Asian blood. Okay, Tipsy cooking tip. Take a little wet piece of with paper towel. If you put this here and you're cutting crap on here, it won't slip around. Take your chicken breast, cut it into cubes. Now, toss in about 2 tablespoons worth of minced garlic. More if you, I don't know, you can really never have enough garlic, so, you know, it doesn't matter. 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. We're not gonna use as much because we have a bit of a ginger allergy in the crew. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, or, you know, however much you really want to add. And 1 teaspoon of corn... Oops. Now, for my purposes, I like to throw in a little bit of shaoxing cooking wine because I feel like it helps the chicken to kind of tenderize a little bit, give it a little bit of that extra flavor. We're gonna throw in about 3 tablespoons, even with the soy sauce. Wash your frickin' hands and just combine. You could be frickin' smart and, you know, do that with like a spoon or something, but... Okay, once you're somewhat confident that all of that is mixed together and your hands look like you gave birth to a Chinese food baby, you're just gonna set this to marinate while you do all the rest of this crap. We are eating this over rice, so... Clean your washing board, because you have washing board? No, that's not what I meant. Clean your cutting board, because it's got raw meat and crap on it now. Thanos the green onion. Cut it up. And Berlin wall your whites and greens. For the sauce, teaspoon of cornstarch. 1/4 cup of chicken broth. 1/4 cup of cooking wine. And 2 teaspoons of sugar. Mix this like it's the 90s and you like big butts. Wash your produce thoroughly. Okay, you're gonna get this to smoking hot because that's how we do stir fry. You just get the damn thing smoking hot and everything cooks super quickly and you know, we get to eat because I'm freaking starving. All right, here we go. Turn on the fan because you're gonna need it. About half a cup of almonds and the rest on the ground apparently. You're gonna put some oil in there. Did I mention you need oil? Yeah, you need oil. Get it all around there. Dump your nuts in. Stir fry these until they're golden brown. What? They're already freaking golden brown. How does that work? Whatever. I don't know, maybe 30 seconds or so. Set them aside. Add a bit more oil if you need to coat the bottom. In go the vegetables. Stir fry these for about 30 seconds or so. Now note here, I overcrowded the wok a little bit. You don't want to do that. When you're stir frying on high heat, you want you know, for it to just cover the bottom. I didn't do that with this. You know what, whatever. After these have absorbed all the oil, started to cook just a little bit, you don't want them to cook all the way because you're gonna finish cooking them in the sauce later. Take them out. Get in there. Ow, hot. That's good enough. Dump in your chicken. I want to say about half of this because I don't want to overcrowd it like I did last time. There, that's good. Let it sit there to brown a little bit. and stir this around till it looks about, I don't know, 80% cooked. Most of the pinkness or rawness has disappeared. Once you've gotten that nice sear on it, it's been on there for, you know, no more than a minute. Take it out. See all this crusted stuff on the bottom? You're gonna want this for later. It adds flavor, just trust me. Add the rest. Ah! Never happened. Ow, ow. The heat will kill the bacteria, it's fine. Everything has been almost cooked, right? So now you're gonna make the sauce, and then everything else is gonna finish cooking in the sauce. Now that's steaming, I gotta go. Add your sauce. Well, turn the heat down to about medium-high, medium or so. Add the sauce. That is going to deglaze some of this fond, which will add a much more of a depth of flavor. See how it's thickening? That's the cornstarch. You want that. Now that it's on medium-high, all this stuff won't burn. So you're gonna throw in the white parts of your scallions and any garlic that you have remaining. Stir that around a little bit, let that sit in there, and then throw in all of this. You'll notice that I'm doing exactly what I said not too earlier, which is overcrowding the wok, which is fine because now most of this stuff is mostly cooked. You're gonna be able to just mix the sauce in and then just set this here to cook. It's gonna absorb the sauce. It's not gonna burn or overcook. In fact, it's gonna cook just to completion. You're gonna leave this on here for, I don't know, a couple more minutes or so. Salt and pepper to taste. And this should finish cooking so that the vegetables stay crisp, the chicken is perfectly cooked, and the sauce gets its way into pretty much everything. Now, if you'll notice on the bottom here, all the grimy black stuff, you can't really see it, all the stuff that was stuck to the bottom has disappeared, meaning all that fond and whatnot has went into the sauce, which means it's gonna give this sauce a lot more depth, a lot more flavor. A couple minutes later, the sauce should have thickened up. So you shut the heat off, stir this around a little bit more to get everything mixed. Hopefully you still have the parts of your green onion. You're gonna use this to garnish, and you're gonna serve it. All right, let's see if we put these nuts to good use. I'll probably regret saying that later. They've definitely lost some of their gochujang powder that was flavoring them, so they just taste like regular almond, which is really good. Normally, I would eat this with a spoon. Yes, I know that's like Asian heresy, but you know, whatever. Yeah, the vegetables are crisp. The chicken is really tender, because when you marinate it like that, with the cornstarch and the wine, it definitely helps. Yeah, I like it. It's good. So, as always, if you have any suggestions for what you want to see us make or drunkenly screw up, don't forget to leave them in the comments below. And as always, I will maybe see you next week. I don't know. I'm moving, so you know it's going to be a little bit difficult. Maybe I'll do a live stream. Maybe I won't. You know what? Just check out Facebook for updates. And you know what? I'll see you whenever. Bye. Hi, welcome back to Thank God. Yeah, oh no. Nope. I can make it up as I go along, or I can, you know, talk about nuts and shit. I don't know, man. I didn't think about clever names for this shit.